Hello everyone, welcome to another class of biology, and in this class we are going to discuss about cell division, and this is for class 9 science. Okay, so now let us understand what is cell division. Okay, so as the name suggests itself, this is a very simple terminology, division of the cell. So why does the cell divide? To produce new daughter cells, So one cell divide to produce new daughter cells. Okay, as you know that the cell theory which was proposed by Sheldon, Swan and Rudolf Virchow. Okay, what did they coin? Rudolf Virchow proposed that all cells arise from a pre-existing cell. That means कोई भी cell हो जाए, it doesn't come de novo. De novo means it doesn't come from on its own. Okay, without anything. So it comes from a pre-existing cell. Suppose this is a cell. This cell comes from this pre-existing cell by the process of cell division, and when this cell will divide, they will produce another cells also. So all cells comes from a pre-existing cell. And what is the process that is going to carry out that thing? Okay, so that is going to be cell division. So cell division is a fundamental process in which what is going to happen? A parent cell is going to divide to produce daughter cells. So that is simply the very easier way of explaining what is cell division, right? As you know that during the process of cell division, what happens? The chromosome numbers, okay, because inside our cell, if you know that, okay, for example, this is a given cell. Inside the cell we have the nucleus, and inside the nucleus we have the chromosomes, right? Suppose this cell has 4 chromosomes here, okay, and when the cell is going to divide by the process of mitosis, one kind of cell division, what is going to happen? The new cells which are going to be produced as a result of this, 2 cells are going to be produced, okay, and each of the cell is also going to have 4 number of chromosomes. Okay, so how that is possible? That here you have 4 number of chromosomes, and also they are also equally going to get 4 number of chromosomes. The chromosome number remains the same. It can remain the same only because of the fact that if the chromosome has to first duplicate in number or replicate in number, it has to increase exactly 2x, okay, twofold. How it is going to happen? By the process of duplication of the chromosome. In the process of duplication of the chromosome, a new copies of a chromosome is going to be produced, and that process is going to facilitate equal distribution of the chromosome in the daughter cells. अगर chromosome duplication नहीं होगा, the daughter cells will not get exactly the same amount of chromosome like that of the parent cell. यहाँ पे क्या parent cell में जितना chromosome होता है, exactly the same number remains in the daughter cell. Clear? Okay. So there are many types of cell division. The most easiest type of, or the common type of cell division which occurs in the primitive group of organism is called as amitosis. This primarily occurs in bacteria, okay, and this is a very simple type of cell division. ये cell division में क्या होता है देखिए इधर, okay, this is called as a direct cell division. In case of direct cell division, what happens? The cell divides along with the nucleus, okay, and produces 2 daughter cells, okay. But here the DNA or the chromosomes are not separated first. The chromosomes are not separated first. I am writing here, chromosomes are not separated first. Separated before division, before cell division. So here the nucleus divide along with the cytoplasm. Suppose this is a cell membrane. The cell membrane is dividing the cytoplasm. So as as the cytoplasm is dividing, the nucleus is dividing also along with that. So there is not a prior nuclear division is happening here. So the nucleus is not dividing first in this case. Okay, so there both the nucleus as well as the cytoplasm are dividing at the same time point. Okay, and this kind of cell division is called as direct cell division. Okay, and in case of direct cell division, there may not be always equal distribution of the chromosomes. The chromosome may not be always equally distributed. There are chances that it might have some errors, okay, of equal distribution of chromosomes. Okay, so this kind of form of cell division occurs in primitive group of organisms. The other most prominent form of cell division which occurs in higher organisms is called as mitosis. It's called as mitosis. Mitosis is completed fundamentally in two steps. What are those? One is called as karyokinesis, the other one is called as cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means karyon is a Latin word, karyon. Karyon means nucleus. Okay. So that means this is the division of the nucleus. So the nuclear division is separate from that of the cytoplasm division. So what happens here? First the nucleus divides and then the cytoplasm divides. So the events are separate. The cytoplasmic division and the nuclear division are separately maintained. But in case of amitosis, both divisions are happening at the same time. And here what happens during the karyokinesis process, okay, the chromosomes are going to be distributed equally. Okay, so what happens? Suppose this is a cell. Inside that you have a nucleus. Okay, suppose there are 4 chromosomes here. Okay, so what will happen now? On the first step that will happen is that the nuclear membrane which is present, ये जो nuclear membrane है, that will disappear. And as soon as the nuclear membrane disappears, okay, the next thing that is going to happen, the chromosomes are going to be equally segregated to the opposite poles. Okay, so there is a phenomena through which the chromosomes are going to be equally separated to the opposite poles, and the separation is guided by some proteinaceous structures, okay, which are called as spindle fiber. उसको हम spindle fiber बोलते हैं. So spindle fibers guides this separation. Spindle, okay, and as soon as the chromosomes separate, then the nuclear membrane will reappear. So now there are 2 nucleus. Okay, and then the cell division, cytoplasmic division will occur. And what is happening in this process? If this is so well coordinated, that means the chromosomes which are going to be produced is going to be equally segregated. They are going to be equally separated in the daughter cells. Okay, and that is the advantage of this method. The advantage of this method is that the chromosomes are going to be equally separated in this process. Okay, so the first step is called as the karyokinesis, and the second step is called as the cytokinesis. So karyokinesis means division of the nucleus, and this is division of the cytoplasm, and that is why this kind of process is called as indirect cell division. Why it is called as indirect? Because this is not directly, both the divisions are not happening directly. Okay, they are indirect cell division, and that is direct cell division. In direct cell division, the nuclear membrane never disappears. Please remember this thing. This is very key feature of direct cell division or amitosis. But here the nuclear membrane disappears so that the chromosomes can be separated equally, right? So that is why the nuclear membrane disappears for some time during this type of cell division. Okay, so this is the major differences between mitosis and amitosis. In the next class, we are going to discuss the detailed processes of mitosis, how mitosis occurs. Okay, Thank you very much.